So I've been doing art my whole life. I've been doing it since I was a little girl, academically and on my own time. Um, when I decided to go to UK for art school, I decided to take that leap just because I think it's really important to pursue things that are true to yourself, things that we're passionate about, and art is definitely something that I hold near and dear to my heart. And I definitely wanted to be able to get an academic background and kind of perfect my craft and be able to push myself and my boundaries as an artist. Definitely learned a lot here technically. Painting's my first love, and I wanted to be able to kind of experiment with oil paints, working in scale, perspective, and also better myself conceptually. I'm in a painting 2 class, and typically with the studios we get a guideline. And for this painting, we were supposed to paint something that's considered monumental, either conceptually or in size. For this painting, I was actually originally inspired by Jenny Saville. She's a really prominent painter. And I really wanted to explore my own body, the body of other women. So through this process, my ideas have kind of taken different shapes. And so what I started with didn't necessarily bring me to where I thought I would be in the final product. And so I kind of just, here I'm talking about idolized women in this fantasy world. They're floating in space. We're kind of forced to look at the female's body, the female nude, typically, which in a position objectifies women in society. But this painting is purely for just aesthetic. It's my style. I'm really interested in color. I'm very interested in texture when it comes to paint strokes. And in this process, we do a lot of layering, and I worked with oil paint, so it's kind of more time consuming. It takes a lot longer for it to dry. But I'm also here interested in the monumentality of these larger than life forms. It's not massive, but it's definitely bigger than me or the viewer would be. So, yeah.